Good day, sir. I'm Angela Rice J. Season.
And here's my life as a tourism student. One of the main reasons why I am struggling in my academics, it's because of high expectations. The combination of academic, social, and personal pressures can take a toll on mental health. Issues such as anxiety and depression are common among college students. And here's mine. And here's my clip na dinala ako sa clinic during our tourism week. Sabi kasi nila, puro paganda lang ang tourism. But wait, here's my story. As a college student na uwian lagi ang ginagawa, mahirap. Matutulog ng 1 a.m. dahil kakatapos mo lang gumawa ng projects. 4 a.m. ang gising, 3 hours lang ang tulog ko at wala akong choice. Umaalis ako ng bahay ng 5 a.m. at nakakarating ako ng school ng 6:30 a.m. Sa uwian, 5:30 na ako nakakasakay. Take note, traffic pa. Kaya ang ending, ginagabi ako ng uwi. Next to my reason why I am struggling, it's because of the deadline. Like quizzes, projects, activities on Canvas, reporting, and many more. In tourism, we do festival, preparing our props in tourism week, and also we have a jamming with our classmates. And for tourism, we have a tour, and we went last May in Okada, in Crimson, and Intramuros. And how I overcome my stress because of academics, because luckily, I have my friends. I overcome my struggling with the help of them. They are always there to help me with the subject that I don't understand. There's no competing at all. We watch concert last October inside our campus. Sometimes we do some TikToks to reduce our stress. Playing every time we have a vacant. We always bond if we have a time. Studying together inside our library. They are always motivating me every day that I can do it with my own. They are always there to support me. That's why I'm lucky to have them. They are my friends that I treasure. They are my second home, to be exact. Finding a balance, setting realistic goals, and practicing self-care can contribute to a more positive and manageable college experience.